Hey and welcome to Alpha One. So, if you are on the fence to start with binary option, I make it easy for you. I'm live every single day completely for free, and you can copy every single trade I do. So, and I make money every session. Today I made a profit of $565. I also did two Forex trades and both of them were winners. You can also follow the signals directly on Twitter and Telegram and WhatsApp, but you can also see me with a screen where you see me trading live here at YouTube completely for free, 1 hour a day. I might also do one more session today, 12. I have not decided yet, but at least every single day I do one a day. So make sure you join. There will later today come a reminder for you for a live session tomorrow where you can get a timer so it says exactly which time you need to go online to see me trading live. So make sure you join. Also, make sure you use the link you see up here right now to join the binary option broker I'm using in this session, because we make the most money with binary option. You also find links for Forex and binary option broker below the video. So with that, have an amazing day.